To run the script, make sure you have the CheatLayer extension installed. If you don't have it, this button will show you a link to the Chrome Web Store instead. Otherwise, click Run on CheatLayer, and in about 2 seconds it'll save it to your cheat list. And then navigate to a search on LinkedIn that you're trying to scrape leads for. And then run the script. And what it's going to do is it's going to loop through the search, open the menu tabs, and then run your script, collect lead info, and then send it to Google Sheets. And there you go. Pretty cool. I'm going to let it do one more, and then there you go. If you need help editing these scripts to do anything custom, feel free to schedule a screen sharing with us using the Calendly link below. Thank you.